Kani kadai kejok ya be jinang jing start. Lada day yauduk ni uruspa unong sar ni nong kendong. Klaim ke jinang jing tip kam day ke basuk iki samla minta bakin yo akam yo jam. Lada pikran haki kam sarkar niki kam private. Kawai kelong kami ke bekerteng ke kong generasi keriem. Kala shimi kini ke sinjam kum kadak bentin rong lang ya ke benta ben sam lang ya ke jinang jing tip jongka shaki samla. Daga bapli ya ke computer center ke G Technology Skill Development di Training Center Hadam Senyong Shillong. Yagan Igashlem Aji Hikai Lapli do Menteri Ketenaga Animal Husbandry Ubalongru UMLA Kepentor Umkra Constituency Uba Alexandra El Hek Hakasantrik Unaitung Arja Arksau Hakajingan lang urang ba Ashnong Kadem Senyong ba Aprang Warjri Director ke MSME ba RS Nongbri Assistant Manager ke DIC Earingstone Arsangma bat QA.
The initiative today we have seen that the technology, how much they have reached today, the technology and the advanced technology has changed from time to time. If you are not following with the time with the technology of today, you will be left behind. We don't want to be left behind. We have to follow with the time. Anticipating for all anything is happening. Whether we are into this business or we are in the other business or any other trade that we are taking on, we have to be anticipating or any eventuality, anything which will be happen, we have to be anticipating. Then only we can grow in our day, in our life. We can grow in our anything which we are establishing, anything which we are going to do. So today, I really appreciate both the group, both Ayushman and also from the G Technology. You are giving this kind of, imparting the knowledge of the technology to others. But I want those who are coming to take the tuition here or the training here or whatever you are going to take the classes here, take ownership. Many of us, they never take ownership. We are coming only just for the sake of learning. Neither it will help the institution nor it will help to the person who are going to take the study here.